Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 DePIN coins by market cap. We'll start with Filecoin at number 1, followed by Render, THETA, Arweave, Helium, Golem, Holo, IOTX Chia, and then we'll end it with Akash Network at number 10. What is DePIN, you might ask? DePIN is actually decentralized physical infrastructure networks. Blockchain networks used to incentivize communities. So I'm like, what's the pin? Okay, anyway, I saw it here on CoinGecko and it was on fire. So I was like, let's just take a quick look at the pin, shall we? So for Filecoin, let's get straight to it, right? Filecoin, okay, we're still under the skinny pin line against BTC. Eventually, we're anticipating a recovery towards the upside. We're hoping to get an inverse head and shoulders, something like this around here. Skinny pin line, comes back up. Pew, we go higher. Fall BTC, maybe. Not entirely sure. Filecoin against USD. Okay, now Filecoin against USD looks pretty nice. Nice in the sense that I suspect we're going to be getting an ABCDE. And then there'll be a breakout. Woohoo! We'll probably mark around the skinny pin line though. But to be honest, this is a beautiful accumulation that's coming on for Filecoin. And my hope is that the lows here remain. And the highs here, yeah, eventually we should be breaking. So to be honest, I think Filecoin is looking pretty sweet. It's looking good. So I think we're going to see a recovery for Filecoin close to its all-time high. So this could be a 2000% move for Filecoin. There could be big things coming on for Filecoin. So yeah, it's a Arthur Hayes approved coin as well. Render against BTC. Here we are for Render. Anything for Render? Okay, so Render, we saw this as a mountain range, left shoulder hit. Right shoulder, we were anticipating a zip lower, but we didn't zip lower. What happened? We zipped higher instead. So at this point of time, we will consider Render to be potentially forming and ascending. Right, maybe a very big type of a cup and handle kind of a chart pattern. But yeah, I don't like it that we're leaning, on the skinny pink line. It just feels like there's a surprise coming on for Render BTC. I would love it if we could do something like this. Right? Do you know what coin is like this? Let me show you. That's the coin against BTC. That's like this. This is the coin that is doing an ABCDE, right? So yeah, it's not. So to be honest, THETA is looking pretty sweet against BTC, but Render is not. So I'm just showing you an example of what it is. Let's just remove this. Render against USDT. Here we are for Render. Okay, for Render against USD, we were anticipating it to drop lower, but we didn't. Eventually, we just rose higher. We took out the highs of this head and shoulders. Right, we took out the highs. So $1.70 is now invalidated, and we're switching to a bullish bias for Render. But the only thing is that we're probably gonna face some resistance as we go higher. Right, so we'll probably take out all the clusters of stop buys here, and then maybe a deep reversal. Okay, I can't say for sure though. In terms of tradability, Render is a no-go for us. THETA against BTC. Here we are for THETA. Anything for THETA? Yeah, THETA has just approached the skinny pink line. Can I have the permission to break? Skinny pink line is like, no. So after that, it got slapped back down. So, so here it is for THETA BTC. Any clear signs of a reversal? Nope. We were saying that THETA will probably take out the lows over here, and eventually we did. Pew! Take out the clusters of stop sells. Boom! Push the price higher. But again, in terms of tradability, nothing much for us for THETA BTC. Against USD, here we are for THETA USD. Okay, so THETA USD is looking sweet. But be careful though, there's a shooting star over here. But we're above the skinny pink line. Oh. So I think we're going to get an inverse head and shoulders over here. Do you see it, boys and girls? This is an inverse head and shoulders. Ta-da! Left shoulder. Big head. I think we're getting a right shoulder here. Ho-ho! I think once we get the right shoulder over here, consolidate a little bit, but stay above the skinny pink line. Boom! There could be a big break coming on for THETA. So I kind of like what I see on THETA. We were saying that very likely we take out these lows, I think. Right, yeah, and then we took it out. So yeah, it is what it is. Where's this? Oh, we're saying that. Oh, okay, you were saying probably we could take out these lows, but we're not entirely sure. So yeah, but we're above the skinny pink line, so we'll approach THETA with a bullish bias. My hope is that THETA consolidates here a little bit, right? Get a very nice inverse head and shoulders. Get a very beautiful right shoulder. Oh, That would be amazing for THETA. After that, we could take a trade. Woohoo! Towards the upside, right? Hopefully towards double digits. Right now, we're not even $1. We're only at 95 cents. So I think THETA could be doing pretty well eventually. Arweave, RBDC. Here we are for AR. Yeah, still under the skinny pink line. Still largely bearish. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal? Nope. It's like, for example, you see a rally over here, right? You might think, oh, we're gonna... Yeah, no. What happened? We dropped lower. We could still drop lower for AR, right? So nothing much for us to work with at the moment. AR against USD. We just breach the skinny pink line. Are we doing something like this? Breach, get slapped down. Breach, are we gonna get slapped? Again, I don't know. I don't see any clear high quality tradable chart patterns yet. So we're gonna have to next Arweave for now. Helium against BTC. Okay, let's look at good coin. Anything for Helium? Okay, so I think Helium could be doing something like this. Right, do you see this? Not exactly an ascending, right? But you could see value 1, value 2, you could be getting value 3, and then sayonara, bitches! And then we just go crazy. Something like this could happen for Helium. Again, we're not entirely sure. We don't see the move yet. Could Helium still drop low? Of course. But we will love it if we go close to the skinny pink line. Or even break it, Stay above it. Skinny pink line curves back up. Goes para. Woohoo! But again, we'll have to take things one step at a time. It's still unclear for HNT, BTC. KuCoin? Okay, well, let me just look at it on Gate. How about that? Gate. Okay. Same thing though. Nothing much for us to work with. You can argue that just like the BTC pair, we could be doing something like this, and ascending could be coming on for HNT, right? Value 1, value 2, getting very small, value 3, and palm, we break higher. Right, something like this could happen for Helium. But I don't like that, there's this thing hovering at the top. Very likely this could be resistance, even if we were to break higher. I suspect there could be some resistance over here. As we go higher towards $3, we might come back down, consolidate before continuing higher, right? But yeah, Helium definitely does have potential though. Previously, we had a ascending here, right? We broke out, but we broke back down. It's like, hey, yo, bro, once you break out, you should just continue up, but we didn't. We got slapped down. Now we get pushed back up again. So yeah, again, we're not entirely sure though. We're not gonna force it. We are not gonna force it for Helium, but I suspect that there could be a rally, right? But in terms of tradability, yeah, there are a lot of other coins which with higher quality chart patterns. Golem! Here we are for Golem. Golem hitting a skinny pink line. There is an accumulation phase over here. Right now, could we be reversing? Yes, sir. We could very well be reversing for Golem. We're still under the skinny pink line though. So yeah, in terms of tradability, I just don't see it yet at this point. Before we fell, you can see a mountain range, double mountain. And then that's it. Zip down. Any bullish reversal? No. I kid you not, you can pull this across. I still consider this as a mountain range. We could still hit lower, right? We're still under the skinny pink line for Golem BDC. Against USD. Here we are for Golem. What? Golem USD. Let's look at it on Gate. I like Gate because Gate is shitcoin central. Golem, anything here? Nothing for us to work with. I know we're rallying, but yeah, not our kind of trade. Holo! Hot against BTC. Here we have Hot, Coinex. Yeah, still under the skinny pink line, so the bearish trend is still on. But we could be at the very, 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 very end of the bearish trend. And Hot could be reversing back up. But we don't see the reversal chart pattern yet. Against BTC. Against USD, we're at the skinny pink line. Ta-da! And we could be getting an inverse head and shoulders. Ladies and gentlemen, look very carefully. This is a left shoulder, head. We could get a right shoulder, consolidate, boom, break higher. That could be Holo. That could be Holo's fate towards the upside, right? Are we overbought? Yeah. So that's why we're hoping for a consolidation. I feel like the DePIN category is doing pretty well though. A lot of high quality setups. Hot looks good. Yes, sir. Definitely does look good. But we still need to see consolidation first. Because we could still come back all the way down. And this could morph into an ABCD kind of a chart pattern, right? Before hitting higher. absolutely possible. So yeah, we're gonna have to take things one step at a time. IOTX against BTC, IOTX BTC. Here we are. Any clear signs of a reversal for IOTX? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Woohoo! A, B. I hope we come back down though for a C. Right, I hope we take out these lows. Tuk, tuk, tuk. Right. Oh, looks good. Looks good, boys and girls. IOTX USDT. Against USD. Again, same thing. It all looks the same. You see this? It's an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head. If we just hover around here, do nothing, go sideways for a little while, a few days, a few weeks, maybe a month or two, boom, we break higher. That'll be awesome. But again, at the same time, we could also come back down for ABCD kind of chart pattern. So we're not entirely sure. We still need to see it, either consolidate or drop a little bit lower first. But it does look good though against the USD pair. I feel that there's a huge setup coming out for a lot of DePIN coins. Interesting. Chia, XCH against BTC. Let's look at it on Coinex. How about it? Anything for Chia? Oof, it's down. It's down, boys and girls. Hold on, OKX. Yeah, it's down. It's a downer. Could we be about to reverse for Chia? Let's look at the USD pair. Chia against USD. Gate. Woohoo! So for Gate, I suspect this could really be the very bottom of Chia. Let me tell you why. Because there is a hammer, boys and girls. There's a hammer, but of course, again, just because you see a hammer doesn't mean it's the bottom, right? If you look over here, hammer, right? What happened? We drop even lower. Look at this. Another hammer, right? Another hammer, right? Could this be the final true hammer? Right. I mean, if you would ask me, I think this is it. I don't think we're gonna go drop any lower for Chia. I think this is it. I think this is go time for Chia. Sure, we could drop as well. But that's the risk you take, right? For trying to get in at the very bottom. So let's say, for example, we enter today $27. Let's say we enter at $27. We go to its high here, 35x, 3,500%. That's a lot of money. A lot of money. Chia, what's the market cap? Let's see. 247 million. What? Okay, that's pretty high. So if it does a 10x, 10x puts it at 2 billion. So if that happens, the DePIN will be competing with real world assets, gaming, layer 2s as well though. Okay. But I like what I see though on Chia. I think that there's a reversal that's not too far away. I suspect that this could be a very big, again, inverse head and shoulder as well. Right, the other coins are doing better. Chia is probably a late bloomer in my opinion. So maybe we go in the other coins first, like let's say Filecoin. Once Filecoin starts rising up, right, and we start removing some of our, shaving off some of our profits, we can rotate it into Chia. So yeah, it's good to identify late bloomers as well. But I think Chia is about to reverse. I suspect. I could be wrong. I suspect. But there's no clear high quality bullish reversal chart pattern yet. We are just plotting the possibility that this could be the reverse head and shoulders. Right. If this were to happen, it's going to take, let me see. How long is it? All right. June, right. Again, the summer bull run of 2024. Possibly. But I think Chia will be a late bloomer. Akash, AKT BTC. Here we are for Akash. Bittrex, anything? Nope. AKT USDT on Gate. Yeah, so you see this. Very nice ABCD. Can you see it, boys and girls? A, B, C, D, E. Symmetrical triangle. Breakout! So this is how you trade. Bullish continuation, right? Look out for high quality chart patterns like this that you and I can actually see very clearly without much explanation. But before that, could we have traded this, right? Ooh, nope. Could we have? Nope. There's nothing here for us. Nothing here for us. The only time there was something for us was here. That's it. And so it broke out. So yeah, again, what's next for Akash? I think continuation. Reason being, we're above the skinny incline, so more upside for Akash Network. So like I was saying, DePIN, I think DePIN really is on fire. I think there's something big coming on for decentralized physical infrastructure network. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. Okay, we'll give you a bonus, right? Again, this is just like what we did yesterday for XFund. Beautiful, 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 beautiful chart pattern for Siacoin. So if you look at Siacoin, look at this. Holy shit. It's like ADA BDC's pair. Look at this. Can you see it? Very big A, B, C. What about the breakout? Get a D, E, break higher. Could we come back low? Of course we could still come back low. For sure we could still come back lower. Right, again. It can still turn bearish for Siacoin. For sure. For sure. Again, there could be a pre-halving scare that comes on. Right, zoop, before it goes back up. Sure, of course. But I would anticipate Siacoin to do very well eventually. Very, 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 very well. And we actually have a target for Siacoin. What's the target? Ta-da! 55 cents. Right now we're at 0.4 cents. If we made it, I mean, if we make an entry over here and we get out at 55 cents, it's 100x, yo. 100x. Holy crap. I suspect that if and when the bullish momentum comes, right, we're going to blow past 55 cents. Very likely we're going to go to close to $1 or even past $1. This could be even more than what we anticipate, right? So, oh my god. If you look at history, Siacoin was very kind to us, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful 5 waves towards the upside, right? But from the bottom to the top, how many days did it take? 749 days. So let's say, for example, if you make an entry over here, can you wait 2 years? Right? Maybe even longer before it hits target, right? It might only be like 2025, late 2025, maybe 2026 before it hits targets, right? But Siacoin, in my opinion, is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Really beautiful. And I think, yeah, it's going to do really, 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 really well. At least 100x, in my opinion. Based on technicals, right? Of course, no guarantees, right? Anytime the Siacoin can always drop to 0 for sure. But if all things go well, it's 100x in the back, in my opinion, right? I'm fairly confident about Siacoin's chart pattern. This is a solid accumulation, solid foundation that the Siacoin foundation is building, right? The whales are building a solid foundation here. So I think Siacoin is going to do very well. I'm not so sure what the deal is. You know, maybe Microsoft buys Siacoin or something, or Tesla buys Siacoin, right? Instantly shoots up. Pew! Goes para. 100x! Woohoo! Again. Let's come back down to Earth. Be aware of the possibility of all of these clusters of stop sells being taken out. Siacoin just, you know, pre-halving scare, drop down, take out everybody before pushing back up, right? So we might drop to 0.2 cents. Potentially, again, I can't say for sure, no guarantees, but if all things go well, I hope that we break out from here and we don't come back down, right? Then if I were to, you know, make another entry, probably will be around 2 cents, right? So again, we'll see how it goes, but Siacoin looks very, very good, right? It's a gift for you. Coin number 11. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10 DePIN Coins TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.